Hello students, welcome to Kundu tutorial. So today we will start one new chapter. As I said in the previous video, fertilization process. So first I have told that in the previous video human reproduction. Today we will start, but before going to human reproduction, first we need to have one idea what is the fertilization and what are the different process it has, right? So let's go ahead. Before going to start today's topic, who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and please like and share. And who have not seen the previous video also, the fertilization process or double fertilization process rather in the flower, please go in the description box. I have already posted the link. Okay, so let's start the class today. So first we need to know what does it mean by fertilization. Fertilization, it is a fusion of the sperm cell nucleus with the egg cell nucleus to provide a zygote. So as it has been told that zygote, it is a fertilized egg. Okay, so after fusion of the sperm cell, after fusion with the nucleus of the egg cell, then it will be called as the zygote. So brings male and female's gamete together, produces diploid zygote. It also activates the egg, triggering the beginning of the embryonic development. Means, what does it mean? You can note down, students, this type of the note for future purpose or for term 2 examination. Again I am giving the importance because the term 2 examination, it is in front of your door. So they can ask what is the fertilization, then you can define like this only. It is activating the egg cell. So activating egg cell means egg cell, it was matured. Okay, but it was not fertilized. So after maturation, the fertilization it is required. So until the sperm cell it will not come, it cannot be fertilized. So after it has been come, the sperm cell, it will giving the development of the embryo. Means the zygote after fertilization, it will be developing to an successful embryo. In mammals basically occurs in the oviduct. Very important line this one. So in case of the mammal, basically it will be occurred in the oviduct. Very important this line, that means the fallopian tube. So the ova is viable for approximately 24 hours after the ovulation. So after the ovulation, that means whenever the egg cell it is maturing inside the female ovary during the 28 days, that is we are telling menstruation period. So after this period 24 hours it will be viable. Viable means it will be mature or it will be present for the fertilization. Where it will be present? Not in the ovary. Okay, so you are doing this mistake only. So suppose if they will ask question fertilization where it will be taking place, then they will give the option, then it will be the oviduct or fallopian tube, right? So here mechanism of fertilization we need to read: encounter of the spermatozoa and the ova. So what does it mean? Spermatozoa and the ova respectively from the male body and the female body. Spermatozoa means the sperm cell and ova means from the egg cell, whatever it will be coming, right? So inside the fallopian tube, whenever the sperm cell it will come, so ova and the spermatozoa means the sperm, both together it will be fused and it will produce the zygote. Okay, capacitation and contact. Capacitation and contact means both it will be for the sperm cell. So sperm cell, they have one outer layer. Suppose if it is the nucleus of the sperm, so it has one outer cap-like structure which is known as the acrosome. So this acrosome first it will be melting whenever it will touch the egg cell. What I have told? Whenever, suppose if it is the sperm cell and if it is the egg cell, so whenever it is touching the egg cell membrane, then automatically this acrosome, this is the cap-like structure, it will be melting. So it is known as the capacitation and contact with the egg cell membrane, right? Acrosome reaction and the penetration, then this nucleus of the sperm cell, it will go directly towards the towards inside of the egg cell. Okay, so inside the egg cell, how many nucleus? Now we will count 2 nucleus, one from the egg and one from the sperm cell. fusion of the sperm with the egg, just then fusion it will be happening, and activation of the ovum. Activation of the ovum means in the sense it will give the zygote development, and this zygote whenever after successful fertilization it will develop in the embryo, and this embryo it will be developing in the fetus, and fetus it will be developing in a successful or full developed baby, right? Basic points we need to obviously know that fertilization, we have known that the egg cell, sperm cell or the male gamete, female gamete, it will come, it will meet, it will fuse, and it will give the zygote. This zygote it will develop a full developed baby, right? So this type of fertilization, how many types it can be? Fertilization always it will be happening inside the female body or outside of the female body. So based on these, means based on the site or occurrence of the fertilization, we have divided this one into two types. What are they? External fertilization and as well as the internal fertilization, right? So first we will meet with the external. External means occurs outside of the body of the female. So here the female, whatever the importance, it will be not like that, means outside of the female body the fertilization it is taking place, right? So now you are thinking, it is very amazing fact, from the female the egg cell it will come out, from the male body the sperm cell or the male gamete it will come out. So both it will be together meet outside of the female body. So that's why it will be known as the external, outside of the female body. That's why it is the external fertilization. Increased number of the eggs are produced. Why? Because the egg cell it should be survive. Many egg cell it is excreting or it is removing from the female body. So that's why many male gametes also it is coming. For example, if you take the frog, if you take the fish, so they will show the external fertilization, right? And in case of the internal fertilization, what is this? Occurs inside the body. As you understand that internal means inside the body. So whose body? It will be inside the female body, right? So fewer number of the eggs are produced. For female case, every 28 days only one egg cell it is maturing inside the ovary, then it will come out. Okay, so this is only the internal fertilization. This egg cell it will be waiting for the sperm cell. If the sperm cell it will not come, that means the egg cell it will be releasing from the female body during this menstruation period. That is the another thing. Okay, increased parental care ensures species survival. So for the mammal, for the reptiles, for the birds, we are producing very much parental care. Means we are showing the parental care in a such way that we are very much, means whatever I can say, we are very much caring ourselves, right? Why? Because we have very less number of the child, very less number of the daughter cell or very less number of the offspring, right? So this is why the internal fertilization it will be very much developed in this classification system, okay, or in the living organism. This video I have kept only for the fertilization. First we should know what is the fertilization, what are their different types, and in for the human fertilization what are the basic steps. Next video we will continue how the human reproduction it will be occurring. In the human reproduction, first we will read the male reproductive system, then we will focus the female reproductive system, and just whatever I have shared the slide how the fertilization it is going on the female body, that is after the female reproductive system description we will be starting, right? Still that guys, you stay tuned with this channel. If you have any doubt, any queries, any problem, any question, don't forget to write in the comment section, or if you have any suggestion to give more and more topics, which type of the topics you are asking for, that is also you can comment freely in the comment section, right? And don't forget to see the description box, because I have posted already the previous link, and that video you must share with your classmate and you must like also, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye everyone, have a good day.